Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your auto insurance policy with GEICO, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your auto insurance policy with GEICO, start by gathering your current policy information. Make sure you have your policy number and any relevant details about your vehicles. Visit the GEICO website, log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one by following the prompts on the website. Once logged in, navigate to the Policies section. Select the policy you wish to transfer. Look for an option labeled Transfer Policy or Change Coverage. Click on that option to begin the transfer process. You will be prompted to enter the new details for your coverage. Provide information about the new vehicle, including make, model, and year. If your address has changed, make sure to update that information as well. Review the details you've entered to ensure everything is correct. GEICO may ask if you want to add any additional coverage options during the transfer. Once you've confirmed your selections, submit your request. You should receive a confirmation email outlining your new policy details. If you encounter any issues, consider calling GEICO customer service for assistance. They can guide you through the process over the phone. Check your email again for the final confirmation of the policy transfer. Your new auto insurance policy is now active with GEICO. Always keep a copy of your new policy documents for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.